friends, welcome back. If you're passionate about tech and looking to land your first tech job, in this video we'll cover different roles that the tech companies have to offer. 8 years ago, I was wrapping up my college degree myself. I was searching for a job, any job to be honest, so I can gain the initial experience. I interviewed for positions in sales, I worked in finance, and eventually I got into product management. My strategy was to explore first before exploiting a specific role or a company. The roles you might be looking at depend on whether a company sells hardware products, the software, offers a service, or a combination of these options. For example, Apple is mainly a hardware company with a high number of technical jobs. If you're technical and looking for a job in engineering or product, this is a great fit. Salesforce, on the other hand, offers software as a service. The company heavily relies on sales and customer success roles who work with businesses to effectively sell, implement, and support the software. Being in a customer-facing role, you will need to fully understand how the product works, and you will be meeting many customers in your day-to-day. There are hundreds of different roles that tech companies offer, but most of them could be categorized as technology, customer-facing, operations, and leadership roles. Let me explain how these roles are connected by walking you through an example of how a product idea lands into your customer hands. First, there are product managers like me. We analyze the market, business, and technology so we can create a vision and strategy for each product component. Then we work with product teams. Here, UX designers help create visual prototypes and validate them with end users. The designs are taken by the engineering, and alongside architects, they build the actual product. There are also project managers who help ensure on-time delivery and writers who ensure the product is well documented. As the product is being built, customer-facing positions are gearing up so they can effectively sell and support new products or features. Marketing roles create content like product demos, organize events, or promote in search engines and social media. Sales, customer success, and support work with customers to enable them on the new products and features, essentially to make sure that these solutions solve customer problems. If the product is technical and takes time to understand, there could be solution engineers who take the company product to architect a solution that solves a specific customer problem. Then there are operation teams such as recruiting that helps the company hire new employees, and HR that ensures that the employees are happy. Finance analyzes the company's performance by tracking revenue and costs. Legal is looking at things like law, privacy, IP, and more to make sure that the product is compliant with regulations. Finally, there is a leadership team that consists of a CEO, CPO, CFO, and other chiefs. Essentially, all departments roll up to this group of people. Company leadership works directly with the board of directors, which consists of people who own the biggest number of company shares. Typically, they are co-founders, larger investors, and key stakeholders. This was my 4-minute explanation of different tech jobs and how they all connected. But obviously there's a lot more to learn. That is why I attached the helpful links on where you can find more information. Let me know if this explanation was helpful, and I'll see you soon.